done the math, if you've done the calculations and you've identified with where you are, because most likely you're either here in the 29th percentile or you're here. Most people, 7 out of 10 people, are going to be here. So if you're in any of those, and it may not necessarily be the upper middle class, it may be the middle class, the lower middle class, or poor, you've already done the math to know, I can't live here. I can't even have a quality life here. I can't do all the things that I want to do. And because you are open to correct it, you're open to adjust it, you're now able to start the process of moving up that ladder.